How did you come up with this? I like this picture. This is a weird picture. It's like, whoa.
Oh yeah, I was in New York.
Was it? Or I think Studio City.
The Pret a Manger, right?
Yeah.
That's New York.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, we were there in July one year, so I have unveiled Points of Love to Dina.
Aww.
365 photos. Probably should start with January, but whatever. .365 photos, each representing stuff we did that day. 4 inches by 4 inches. Points of Love, it's called. Looks like she actually likes it. It's her birthday.
I do like it. I do like it, boo boo.